Hey girls, hey, welcome back to the channel. We are here with another video, and today we are doing a get ready with me, style and outfit with me type video, and I'm going to show you how I took down my curls that you see here. This is from the Heatless curl video. I will link that above if you have not seen that yet. So if you are new here, welcome, like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Kay, love to have you, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first things first, we got to lay that foundation. So I am just going to slick back my edges because it is a lace closure wig. So it's not like I'm leaving out any hair or anything. And I use wigs as a protective style for myself to help my hair grow and to just keep my hands out my hair. And this day I had kind of not been doing anything with my hair, kind of just been wrapping it. So that's why I look a little fuzzy, but girl, that's my business. So we're going to get this foundation laid down, get our cap on, and throw this wig on. And let's take these rollers down and see what comes out. Well, what happened there? All right, let's just, maybe I'll take this one out last. No, we're gonna take this one out first because okay. Because I was like, why is it over to the side like that? So when it comes to taking the rollers down, as you see, I'm trying to unravel it to keep the curl intact instead of pulling or whatever. But that back one right there was ready to come out, child. It was like, release me now. But yeah, you want to roll your roller in the direction of the curl so that it just helps maintain the curl, keep the curl tight. That is like the best curl that we got so far on this first go around. But yeah, the way you undo your flexi rods are just as important as how you put the flexi rods in, okay? So make sure you roll them out. Roll them out in the direction that you want the curl to go in, okay? It's also important to note that the tighter that the flexi rod holds, the tighter the curl will be. So like my front curl is going to be loose, which is okay because that's the bang part, but my left side is a little looser than my right side because those flexi rods, as you saw when I was taking them down, were a little bit looser, and so the curl is looser. However, that is still going to be okay. We're going to shake those curls out. Shake, 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 shake what your mama gave you or what your mama helped you buy or whatever, girl. And here is the final result. Ooh, I like it. I like it, y'all, the layers. Can we see the layers, girl? Yeah, we see them layers. Yeah. That came out real pretty. Boom. Yeah. Real pretty. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Them layers is layering now. Okay, so even when this falls, this is gonna fall really pretty, but yeah. Yeah, I don't even need to like spritz. I mean, probably to like hold it, you know, like to hold the curl, but not for volume. I love it. Mm-hmm. Very pretty. Heatless curls. Try it out, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I want to dress this up. I'm going out to like run some errands and everything. So I think I want to add this camo skirt on top and see what we can make do what it do with the camo. The reason that I decided to add the camo is because one, black and white is a neutral, camo is a neutral. And so I felt like they would go well together, but also allow me to mix my prints together. And I just love camo. I really do. But if you are not big into mixing prints, I encourage you to go ahead and get you a pair of camo and get you some black and white stripes. They are always going to match. They are always going to go. It is an easy combo that you can put together, and it will open the door for you to start mixing your prints together. So though I'm someone who mixes her prints often, definitely tap into the camo and the stripes because it is an easy way to get into the game. All right, so we're getting somewhere, but this isn't the final look, Shook. Okay, we're girl. We gotta add a little bit more. We gotta do a little bit more for me. For me. If you like this and you wanna stop here, stop here. I'm just not doing that. So let's see what I come up with. All right, so I legit just pulled the end of the dress up under the skirt and then gave like this little asymmetric situation. Right, y'all see that? It gave that little asymmetric situation. And then I'm just gonna pin it. Just a little PSA while your girl is getting her skirt pinned up. Make sure you have some pins, safety pins, brooch pins, whatever, so you can always remix your clothes, okay? You are going to want to restyle your clothes. That's how you can wear your clothes multiple ways, and pins are the best way to do it. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so that's pinned. I like that a lot better. I like that a lot better. Y'all see how that just gave it a hole? And then like in the back, I could do the same thing in the back if I wanted to. And maybe I do want to, now that I said so, or said something. But I want it to still give that So we're gonna, because this is now the back. Okay, so front, back. If you are trying to recreate this look, you could very easily leave the back down. That would have actually been really cute, especially if you're going to add like a heel or something to tie up the leg. So I just wanted to give that perspective. Also, the final look, the back looks a little bit smoother. You'll see that at the end. So I just wanted to clarify that too. I'm a pro. All right, let's see if I can do this. This is when I need my husband. Like, I need him for a lot of things, but I actually truly need him now. And where is he? At work. Doing the Lord's work is where he's at. All right, cool. So this is the look we got now. Okay. All right, so now that we have the look together, we're going to go ahead and accessorize, okay? So right now, I have been loving these little gold earrings. They are just super cute. And with me having the long hair, you know, it stands out enough, but it doesn't do too much. It doesn't like overpower. Okay, now we're gonna add some necklaces, and I love to layer my jewelry. I love to stack bracelets. I love to layer necklaces. If I had multiple holes in my ears, I would have multiple earrings in. I just love jewelry. And I also believe in wearing jewelry that uplifts me or empowers me. I'll never forget, I was watching a documentary, and I hope I can find the lady's name, but she said, your jewelry is your armor. And this was so prominent to me because I was watching this documentary at the time I was starting Charmed Up by K. And when I started Charmed Up by K, it was a full jewelry business. And I truly believe jewelry is your armor. You want to wear things that make you feel empowered, protected, strengthened, whatever you need that day. So my necklace says blessed and queen. I have another staple necklace that says like fierce and bless, smile, just affirmation. I love affirmation. So I definitely make sure my jewelry has that. But look at how easily and quickly that sophisticated this outfit, that layered necklace look, you know? Let's do something about this waist, because this skirt is a little big. I like to order my stuff a little bit big, but that's because I like to add a lot of layers and accessories and things like that. So I'm using this denim belt to help break up, you know, just the colors. And then it comes with this little pocket, which I'm probably gonna do something with. It's a little too plain, but for today, it like works perfectly, honestly. This is legit my first time wearing this, but not something like this, but wearing this particular piece. All right. And if I wanted, I could like twist this, you know, to like fall. You style everything. Style all the clothes, the accessories, the clothes, you style all. Okay, so I just want it to look a certain way. There we go. All right, so that's breaking up our, and I might actually put something in here, but if not, it's just there for the look. Shoes, these are like my go-to. I really need to clean these super bad, but girl, mind your business. This is what I'm wearing on my feet today. Usually like a sandal girl. I'm usually like a sandal girl, and it's nice today. It's gonna be like 77 degrees or whatever, but I bought the sneakers, so I'm going to wear the sneakers. Okay. So let's see if we like this. Yeah. Can y'all see that? I hope you can see it. Yeah, I like that. Okay, we're gonna take this body butter to grease up them legs, honey. And then this right here is my glow oil. That's gonna go right here. Y'all see that? Ew. Ew. Okay. And got my earrings. Now, what I never leave the house without is some bracelets, honey. Okay? These right now are like my favorites. Love these. They're nice. They're chunky. And this right here is my Miss Ritter bracelet because I cannot keep up with a ring. And so this is my wedding band that I wear every day. I have one in silver and I have one in gold. So there's no confusion, girl. I am married, but your girl can't keep up with a ring. Okay? I buy cheap rings because if I lose them, whatever. But I don't lose my bracelets. So you just gotta love people where they at. You gotta love people where they're at. Amen. Speaking of rings, we're just gonna add a few little decor pieces here to spice up the look. I'm liking this pearl. I think she's cute. These are all rings from Shein, by the way. So again, nothing that I'm not afraid to lose. Okay. Okay, this is where we're at so far. And then when I go out, these gonna be my #1 stunner. What? I have to grow up. I really have to grow up. My God, today. My God, today, these curls, girl. 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 Okay, purse. To be continued. Okay, bag. I could go with this green bag. I carried this one yesterday. I really, really love this bag. I think this is the bag I'm gonna go with, but with the runs that I'm about to make today, it's not the most practical. So this is like just for content, and girl, we don't do that. We do what we actually are going to wear. Only other thing I can think of is this one, because I am going out shopping, so I want to be able to like carry the bag. So I'm gonna go with the black and the white today, but my God, today, this green bag, and which has my perfume in it, which is the C perfume by Giorgio Armani. Get you this perfume, girl. Is it low enough? Can you see me? Get you this damn perfume, girl. This stuff smells so good. You know what? Fuck it, y'all. I want to wear the green bag. I want to wear the green bag. Like, this is just what my spirit is telling me to wear. So this is what we're wearing today. And it also has these glasses from yesterday, which I freaking love. So let's see if I like them better. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We really didn't need to change the accessories today. Okay, I pretty much have the same accessories on today that I had on yesterday. Except for the necklaces. The necklaces are different. But yeah, this is the look. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want more styling tips. But yeah, girl, style your clothes, honey. Style your clothes, girl. Okay, girl, so I decided to come outside and give you the outfit in the sunlight, honey. And I think it's so cute. I just think it's like a cute, casual little vibe. Right? Y'all know I'm gonna be playing. Y'all know I'm gonna be playing in my hair all day. Like, I'm about to just go pull up on my husband because he need to see how fine I am while he at work. Because by the time he get off, I'm not gonna look like this. I'm gonna look like the homeless wife he left this morning. But I'm not homeless. I live in a great house, okay? But in the morning, but that's my business, okay? So, yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.